Here we see two things, like one is the slackline that I installed here. Have some time for balance and playing around. And to protect with the bum wire, I put a lot of, like from old tires, the insides, the rubber band around the wire, and used some old working clothing to make some secureness for the bum wire. And next to that we see the pathways here. This was a working task where we put first carton, like paper, on the ground, after that plastic, so the stuff will not grow through the rocks, and covered it with the sarang, that's called. This is the green mesh you see here, and after that the rocks. And we made here where the fruit trees are all the way around these new pathways.